Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we're always on the frontier of technological exploration. In today's exciting episode, we're exploring the intersection of AI and game development. The burning question is, can OpenAI GPT-4 help you make a video game? We've embarked on this journey and the results are fascinating. So buckle up and let's delve into this intriguing experiment. For those of you who may not know, GPT-4 is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI. It's capable of generating text that's almost indistinguishable from human writing. It's been applied in numerous fields like script writing, poetry, and even coding. And today, we're taking it a step further into the realm of game development. The game we decided to create with the help of GPT-4 is a family-friendly spin-off of the classic 2004 beer strip game. Here, instead of the original concept, you have the task of catching falling caps. Every cap caught increases your score, but watch out, if a cap slips by, you lose a life. But this AI-guided game development process wasn't without its hiccups. Our AI companion doesn't exactly stick to the principles of clean code or optimization techniques. It often felt like the AI was freestyling, penning down the first code that came to mind. We initially found our game riddled with bugs. Trying to debug these was like untangling a ball of yarn, with fixes often leading to more issues elsewhere in the code. A notable example was when we asked the AI to generate a spawn cap script, which it did well, but reminding it of an existing game manager script led to a total overhaul of the latter to suit the spawn cap script, causing a whole new set of problems. But that's just half of the story. We can't disregard the benefits and drawbacks of using an AI like GPT-4 in game development. Let's discuss them. The first advantage is rapid prototyping. GPT-4 can rapidly translate your concepts into a tangible prototype, aiding quick iterations and faster development. Secondly, when you hit a roadblock, GPT-4 can provide innovative suggestions and problem-solving ideas, acting as an on-call brainstorming partner. Third, time efficiency. With the AI taking over a repetitive coding task, you're free to focus on the creative aspects of the game design. And fourth, unbridled creativity. GPT-4 being a language model can churn out original and unconventional game ideas that you may not have thought of. But like any other software, there are some drawbacks. First one, clean code. GPT-4 isn't exactly a stickler for clean code, making the result code base hard to manage and debug. Second one, bug creation. The AI tends to generate buggy code. Identifying it and fixing it, this can be a time-consuming task. Third one, contextual awareness. GPT-4 sometimes overlooks script dependencies, causing conflicts when trying to integrate new additions. Fourth one and the last one on this list is learning curve. For beginners, using GPT-4 might get in the way of learning essential coding principles and practices. So, what's the ideal candidate for GPT-4 in game development? If you're a seasoned developer, GPT-4 can be a handy tool for rapid prototyping and brainstorming. For beginners though, we'd recommend starting with hands-on coding before diving into the AI assistant development. Gaining a solid foundation in coding basics is critical to becoming a successful game developer. Before we sign off, we have something exciting coming up in our next video. We'll be diving into another AI companion for coders, GitHub Copilot. It's a tool that provides suggestions for whole lines or blocks of code right inside your editor, and it's been making quite a stir in the coding world. From our initial exploration, it's shaping up to be an impressive tool. But how does it hold up in practical usage? Can it truly be a copilot for your coding journey? We'll dissect all of this in our next episode. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss it. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay curious, keep exploring, and as always, happy coding.